Some of these people are just brain damaged. This is a conversation on LinkedIn. To ensure we're on the right page, could you please share the package for this role? Sure. What is your current per month salary? I asked you for your package. What does my current salary have to do with this role? Because we offer hike on your current salary like any other company, we consider the industry standards like 20 to 30% hike on the current salary. So you're saying if my current salary is 10 million THB, it must be another currency, a year, you'll give me a 30% hike? Yeah. So this is a person that's trying to recruit a person for a new role. This is a recruiter, and they're trying to ask for their current salary so that that way they can lowball them instead of giving them whatever the full salary is for their position. So, yep, that's not cool. That's one of those things that you get to kind of avoid whenever you're applying for jobs that are outside your company when you're applying outside. And uh, I've heard of other companies asking for salaries, and I always just respond with what's the range for the position, and then I always aim high. I always if I'm ever asked for a salary expectation, I just aim high because the last thing you want to do is negotiate against yourself because that's a poor place to negotiate from, and that's why some companies and some recruiters want you to negotiate from that place. So yeah, not very nice of that recruiter to do that. Very cool, uncool. And I'm battling a cat right now. Very uncool that recruiter to do that. And I, uh, I don't like that at all.
Miscommunicating. I just made a pilot, then they threw me on the stations. Now I'm not complaining, now I'm not complaining. My thoughts get complicated, I cannot explain in layman's. Never losing focus because I ain't chasing payments. Still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the